Hey everybody, it's Cassie from Helper Tech, and I just wanted to talk to you about doing battery repairs on iPhones. So, phones do wear out. Their battery just it wears down. That is true across all electronic devices. They really only should last about 2 years before you really start seeing that decline. So this one is one that I already changed the battery on. So if it takes us 15 minutes to an hour, depending on which option. You can get that done at our Helper Tech Egan store, now servicing Mendota Heights on Cliff Road and 35E. Or you can get it done at our Helper Tech Burnsville store, where on County Road 42, where that also hits 35E. Now this battery, like I said, I did just change it out, but that's actually this one right here. Now, you hear that? That is just a bunch of gas that has slowly been building up now that the battery started wearing out. Once this starts expanding, it will keep expanding. It doesn't stop. And you can actually see where this should not be all extended out. The casing on the battery has actually started to come apart. So I'm sure if I stabbed this with some tweezers, it'd give us a really good light show. But we can do those repairs in an hour for $49 or in 15 minutes for $59. So feel free to stop out once again at our Helper Tech Egan store or Helper Tech Burnsville, and we can get that done for you. Otherwise, if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call at 651-605-2575. You guys have a nice day.